video, we're going to see how you can read JSON data using Sprint Batch. So I've gone ahead and created this employees.json file under the resources folder. You'll find this in the GitHub repo. Please go ahead and download this. And here I've pasted our CSV data into JSON format. So let's go ahead and create a reader for this. So we've got the JSON item reader. So I'm going to go into the job config, and here I'm going to add one bean. It's going to be public item. It's going to be public JSON item reader, and let's give it a type employee. It's going to be JSON item reader, and let's create this object using the builder. So I'm just going to do new JSON item reader builder. Let's give this the type, and we'll do a dot build for now just to make the code compile. So let's go further and set one important property here, which is the object reader. So it's going to be JSON object reader, and we're going to use an inbuilt one. So that's going to be JSON object reader, and in the argument of the constructor, you're supposed to give it the type that you want to map. So it's going to be JSON.class in our case, and it's going to be the resource. The resource is going to be the new file system resource, and we're going to give the same path that we have used and just change the extensions. Just going to copy paste some code from here. Let's take this. It's great. Let's come down and paste it here, and we'll go ahead and change the extension from Excel to JSON. It looks good. There's one tiny problem in this. I'm going to show that, but first let's inject this into our step definition. So I'm just going to go up here. Here we have the step definition. So I'm just going to add a comma and paste it here, so that this is plugged in now, and instead of Excel reader, we want the JSON reader. So I'm just going to paste it here. So it looks good. We've configured our step to have the JSON item reader, and this is pretty straightforward. I feel we should not have any problems because we are using one of the inbuilt readers. So there's one tiny caveat to this, which I will demonstrate in a moment. For now, let's just run the application. So I'm going to exit the presentation mode, and let's run this application. So we expect the same output like we have till now. Should see 2 employees. Yeah, and this is the error that I wanted to show you. So it says that a name is required when save state is set to true. So what it means is that this reader, it has got a name method here, and this name you have to supply. So it does not work without that. So I'm just going to do JSON reader here. So it looks fine. Let's run this. So you can give any name here. It doesn't matter. Let's run the scan. And as you can see, this time we have the output. So this is how you read JSON data into Sprint Batch. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.